Are they not so cute? I just fixed these two drones, and it just so happens that this one now has a flight controller that's not working, so I think it's like a 5-volt regulator. I don't know, because it's like the power is going through it, it's turning on the VTX, but the actual FC isn't working. So I only have one drone right now, and this one wasn't working before. It was doing the weird flippy thing. So one of you told me I should switch the motor because it might be the shaft, and I noticed I noticed that this one, like when I was pushing it, like it could go down and stuff, and the other ones couldn't. So I swapped out this motor. So I'm hoping that this is going to fly well. We got it down to 18mm standoffs, and we're trying out the 45-degree angle for the first time. And we're here at the park, and there's lots of children, so that's really wonderful. So let's have a great time. See if I will be able to enjoy racing the discus. Oh, we're also at a weight of exactly 99 grams on this build and 111 on this one. Yeah, let's go. I actually think that I left all 3 fully packed brand new batteries at the hair salon. So it's gonna be packed. That's all we're gonna do. Hi, it's Matthew from the future. So that was like, I don't know, it was really fun. It was like a whole new experience of flying. Yeah, it's really neat because it's like when you're going low, I'm just so used to pitching forward to move forward, so I wanted to do that quite a bit, but you don't have to do it as much. It wasn't that scary. It was pretty fun. I feel like maybe I wasn't pushing it as hard, so I got a pretty good amount of flight time. It felt nice. I felt like the biggest advantage or thing that I guess I noticed was that when you're power looping, you kind of see where you're going. Because usually when I'm power looping, I feel like I don't really see where I'm going. And I remember seeing Bubby's video, Bubby FPV. He was talking about how like you can do power loops and start like looking where you're going and go through like gaps like trees and whatever.
I told you, can't help you.
And now they're home. So it's just like, it's neat. I felt like I could actually see where I was going, and that helped. And I think that over time, I'll be able to do more fun, like, trippy stuff. Whereas I'm distracted now, so smash the like button, subscribe. See ya.